Alright, so this one has to be a rush video because the transporter is already here to pick it up. But I'm supposed to usually give it a call an hour before, but he just popped up. Oh, I'm here. Great. Didn't even know it was coming today. The glass is a little foggy. Let me try to clear it up. Looks better? Yeah. Anyways, Honda ACTY dump. We redid the seats. This truck originally had a lot of rust on it, but we cut all the rust out, welded all new metal, then we did a full paint job on it too. And then we did bed liner in the bed and under, and then we did bed liner, we did rust inhibitor underneath, so there's no more rust going to be on here. See, this is good. We did the seats, the head things. Yeah, we did. He wanted new tires. We put new tires on there. And we did the wheels. Yeah, the bed was really bad too, but we coated the bed for him. We ended up making the new tailgate because that other tailgate was destroyed. It was mangled. But if I didn't say anything, you wouldn't even know. It's a brand new tailgate. Yeah, all new tires, matching tires. There's no rust underneath. We made sure of that. And we did coating on it also. The rubberized coating. Yeah, this thing's really clean now. Gave the buyer the option to take it as is with the rust, or if he wants us to restore it, make it better, he can do that too. He ended up asking us to do all this stuff to make it better, so I think it ends up better than like original. Oh, we have the Honda logo in the shop. Alright, so now we're gonna go drive it onto the transporter. It's only going to Pittsburgh. I was gonna deliver it myself, but we don't have time. Like, we've been so busy, and the customer was nice and patient, so we were gonna do it, but suddenly he got antsy and wanted to get it right away, so. And here's the dump up and down. You can see it coming down. It goes up just as easily. Make sure it's neutral. See how it looks. And all the sides fold down too. Even the back, it folds down. Well, now it's not locked in, but I have to lock it in real quick before he drives away with it. Anyways, the guy's calling me again, so I'm gonna go and drive this over there to the transporter before they get pissed off, even though they're the ones in the wrong. It's supposed to be an hour, supposed to give me notice, but they didn't give me any notice. So of course I'm the asshole because I'm the one like not giving it right away because I need to take pictures of it before it leaves. But you know, they're supposed to give an hour heads up notice, but they didn't. So I'm the bad guy, as always. Fourth gear. Can't go to fifth gear, I don't have enough speed. Oh shoot, my camera's still moving around. Okay. Anyways, there's a trailer waiting. He's not even has the ramps out or nothing yet, so. Anyways, I'm gonna put this dump back up there. Hey. sure that's in. And put it back down. Make sure it doesn't fly off, because it has happened before. Yeah, cool. Alright, so here it is on the ACTY dump.